I don't know why, but I've been struggling to record this video for this beautiful fragrance. I think I shot or reshoot this video for about, I think 23 times, because I just can't bring over the excitement of this fragrance and the nice and the smell of this fragrance to you on a video. So I'm going to try now again, and hopefully this is for the last time, because I want to introduce to you a very beautiful fragrance, wool fragrance, and it's called Vanilla and Tobacco. Now, everybody knows Vanilla and Tobacco from Tom Ford. I'll show you the original as well, because this is a dupe for it. But I can't impress or explain to you the smell of this fragrance and how well it is. It's just so beautiful and so lovely. And actually, you know, if you're going into tobacco fragrances, there's so much fragrances out there that has tobacco in it, and of course a lot of them with vanilla. But with vanilla and tobacco, it's just, yeah, guys, it's just marvelous, and it just comes together so beautiful. And there's a lot of stories I wanted to put behind this bottle of fragrance, and there's a lot of things I wanted to impress you with, and tell you to buy it and to smell it and how it smells. But end of the day, the proof is in the pudding, guys. You need to buy this fragrance, and you need to smell it, because the first time I smelled this fragrance, I was just shot from my feet. It's beautiful, and it's got like it's a tobacco vanilla fragrance, and it opens with black pepper and tobacco leaf, and it's got woody vanilla take and tonka in it, and it's got cocoa in it, and it makes it a very nice tobacco-y, creamy, vanilla, chocolatey fragrance. And it's just marvelous. The cocoa doesn't overpower it. So when I say chocolatey, it doesn't say that you're getting a gourmand fragrance here. It's not that. But it's just, yes, guys, it's just marvelous, and it smells beautiful. It's a rich tobacco-y fragrance with a creamy vanilla cocoa-y fragrance to it. It's got a woody as a bottom, and it's got dry fruit. When I smelled the first time, it's got like a little bit of a bubbly fragrance, a bubbly tobacco-y thing to it, but it just dies down, or dries down very nice, guys. I'm so impressed with this fragrance, and I'm so impressed I couldn't even record the video. And I know I made a lot of mistakes in this video, but I'm not going to retake it, because I just want to show you and tell you that this is a lovely fragrance. The Vanilla Tobacco, I'm so impressed with this fragrance. Not expensive. Fragrance world is just outdoing themselves at this stage with all the fragrances they're making. The pricing is right. The fragrance itself is brilliant. The bottling, the packaging, everything is just lovely. Just, guys, Vanilla Tobacco, beautiful. It's stunning.